Hello everybody and welcome aboard cruisers to our daily popular Cruise Hive news updates. And just for you we have a further 5 news stories as another Royal Caribbean glass panel breaks. We have repairs underway on Icon of the Seas Waterslide, as well as newest Norwegian cruise line ship sails from New York. We also have Carnival cruise ship to shift to US East Coast, and Carnival adds new breakfast treats for a fee. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Norwegian Cruise Line's newest ship, Norwegian Aqua, launched Bermuda sailings from Manhattan in New York on August 22nd, with an overnight stay at the Royal Naval Dockyard from August 24th to the 25th. The vessel, which debuted in March this year, will operate 5 and 7 night round-trip cruises from New York through to October the 4th, before repositioning to Miami on October the 7th for a Caribbean and Bahamas season running through to April next year. With a capacity for over 3,500 guests, Norwegian Aqua features the Aqua Slide Coaster, Glow Court, 17 dining venues, and entertainment including Revolution, a celebration of Prince. Carnival Cruise Line will reposition Carnival Firenze from Long Beach in California to Miami in early 2027 after a series of 3 Carnival Journeys voyages across South America. The ship departs January the 4th, 2027 from Long Beach to Santiago in Chile, then sails January the 19th, 2027 to Buenos Aires in Argentina before a February 2nd, 2027 departure, visiting Brazil, Grenada, Martinique and St. Martin, ending in Miami. Carnival Firenze will home port seasonally in Miami, offering Caribbean cruises, before repositioning to New York in summer 2027 for a new deployment. Carnival Cruise Line is set to sweeten mornings with new paid breakfast treats announced on August the 27th. Warm, made-to-order donuts, New Orleans-style beignets and cinnamon sugar churros will soon be available across the fleet, though no rollout date has been confirmed. Options include cinnamon sugar, powdered sugar, Boston cream and glazed donuts, with prices ranging from $2 to $7 depending on selection. A combo of 2 donuts and 4 beignets is $7. While many guests welcome the treats, others question the added cost, especially since Carnival already offers free breakfast pastries in buffets and dining rooms. Repairs are underway on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas after a frightening incident on August the 7th, when a glass acrylic panel shattered on the 46-foot tall, frightening boat waterslide while a guest was riding. The passenger sustained lacerations but did not fall through. Crew are now replacing the broken section with solid tubing, matching the rest of the slide. It remains unclear when the attraction will reopen or when the identical slide aboard Star of the Seas, which launched August 23rd, will debut before its maiden voyage from Port Canaveral on August 31st. A glass panel on Deck 15 of Royal Caribbean's brand new Star of the Seas suddenly shattered during a preview sailing on August the 26th. The incident occurred around 10:30 a.m. while the ship was on a 4-night cruise to Perfect Day at Coco Cay in the Bahamas, which had departed Port Canaveral on August 23rd. Crew members quickly blocked off the area and no injuries were reported among the 5,500 guests on board. The almost 249,000 gross ton vessel is scheduled to begin her maiden voyage, a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise, on August 31st. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.